All right, YouTube, as the title suggests here, this is an update to video 229 on opening a Sentry safe with a magnet. That video was from 2017. We are now in 2024, and on these new models that no longer works, which I was actually surprised to find out. I've still got the same magnet, and I've opened a lot of safes over the years with it. But it no longer works on these new models, as they've actually done something to the inside of it to fix the problem. Now, the actuator is still the same, and it's still in the same spot right here. And on the the older safes, you just simply put the magnet on there and the handle would just open. So what they've actually done, I have to open the safe to show you here. We'll just open it old school here. We'll just use a code. And nobody look here and see my secret code. Now the safe's actually open. All the magic here is actually behind the door here. So let me go ahead and pop the door off, or the back of the door off. So we're going to do that with a flathead. And I'm just going to set this aside for right now and just show you the actual actuator, which is right here. And the actuator, when it's pushed in, it just allows the bolts to move, and then it's spring-loaded and it pops back out. So that's how that actually works. So the magnet would just overcome that spring and let you open it. And I'll put the code in. You'll see here how how it actually works here when we put the code in. And you notice here the actuator slides in and it lets it open. All right, so now let me show you the door here. That's kind of where all the magic is at. Here's on the back of this door here. What they've actually done is they put this little pin. If I can actually film it here, they've got this little pin right here. That pin is actually made out of metal. And so when you put the magnet on the front of the door, it's actually pulling that pin out, and it's actually going into the whole, right here, where it actually is going to block the bolt work from actually moving. So just that simple little spring-loaded little metal pin here has actually stopped the magnet attack on these safes. So if you lose the code to your safe now and need to get it open, or if the keypad fails, you're probably just going to have to resort to actually drilling it if the keypad fails. So anyway, just wanted to do a little update to that video here. It'd be floating on the screen here if you want to click it and check it out. If you didn't click it and check it out already. Questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. Until next time, we will talk to everybody later.